want to fix WhatsApp call unavailable issue? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix WhatsApp call unavailable issue. The first thing you want to do is make sure your internet is working. For that, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Then you can also run a quick speed test. For that, open up any web browser. Then head over to any speed testing website such as fast.com to check your speed. Next thing you want to do is update WhatsApp to the latest version. For that, open up Play Store or App Store and search WhatsApp. Now, if you find the update option, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. This is going to fix any bugs in the app. Next, you want to verify app permissions. For that, open up your settings, scroll down and tap on apps. A list of all the applications on your device will be shown. Now tap WhatsApp from here. Then you want to tap on permissions. Here, you want to make sure that all important permissions are given. For example, call logs, contact, microphone, location, photos and videos. Once that is done, head back. Now tap on storage. Here you want to tap on clear cache. If your problem is still not fixed, then you can simply contact WhatsApp customer support. For that, open up WhatsApp, tap on these three dots, then tap on settings. Now scroll all the way down and here you will find the option of help. Tap on that. Now tap on help center. Now tap on contact us and you can simply explain your issue to WhatsApp customer support and they will help you fix your problem. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.